Hi everyone, I'm John with Missouri Market Boss. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most important tools for getting free leads, your Google Business Profile. Think of it as your digital storefront. It's often the very first impression your customers get. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to claim, verify, and optimize your profile so it becomes a true lead generator. Step 1. Claim and verify your Google Business Profile listing. Start by typing your business name into Google. If it shows up, you'll want to claim it. Usually you will see Own This Business to the right. Click on that link and follow the steps. If it doesn't appear, create a new listing and follow the prompts to verify. Important: you must be the owner of your listing. Don't give an agency ownership access, just grant them manager rights if needed. And be consistent with your business name, address, and phone number. For example, Saint period versus Saint, Google sees those as two different addresses, which can hurt your rankings. Verification process. To prove you're legitimate, Google may ask you to verify with a video. You might have to show things like company vehicles with your logo, office signage including areas only accessible to employees, such as a break room or conference room, cross streets or your workspace. This step is critical to building trust with Google. Step 2. Build a strong profile. Business description? Keep it short, under 160 characters. Say what you do, where you do it, and highlight credibility like years in business. Opening date. Adding your opening date builds credibility. Location settings. If you're home-based, don't list your home address. Just note you serve customers at their location. Service areas are capped at 200 miles. For contractors, consider a co-working space to boost credibility. Pro tip: connect your Google Maps location and schema markup to your website for maximum results. Step 3. Add core business info. Phone number. Consider call tracking or enabling messaging for higher engagement. Categories. Choose one main category and up to 9 subs. Example: roofing contractor plus siding contractor. Services. List everything: flat roofs, asphalt shingles, etc. Services directly impact rankings. Products. Add product lines or brand partnerships, GAF, Timberline, etc. Website URL. Use the most relevant page. Make sure it's HTTPS secured and track performance with Search Console. Social media links. Add working links to all your active platforms. Google considers these as trust signals. Step 4. Content and engagement. Posts. Post weekly. Job site updates, before, during, and after photos, short how-to videos. Keep it authentic and local. Q&A section. Answer customer questions here. It's one of the easiest ways to get featured on AI platforms like Alexa and in Google's frequently asked questions results. Highlights and attributes. Add what's relevant, like women-owned or locally owned, but never mislead. These are ranking factors. Closing thoughts. Think of your Google Business Profile as a mini website. It won't magically bring in customers overnight. You need to consistently update it. But if you do, it can become one of your most powerful free lead sources. If you want help auditing or optimizing your profile, we'd love to guide you through it. Thank you for joining me. Now let's get your business found on Google. www.MissouriMarketBoss.com